How to start online tutoring and earn as a teacher. Online tutoring is one of the most reliable and flexible ways teachers can earn extra income without quitting their jobs. If you already teach, you already have the core skill. You only need to package it correctly and place it where people are willing to pay for it. This guide breaks everything down step by step. Why online tutoring works for teachers. Online tutoring allows you to earn extra income after school hours. Teach from home using your phone or laptop. Choose your subject, students, and schedule. Monetize your existing teaching experience. Parents and students are actively searching online for tutors for exam preparation, homework support, remedial lessons, skill-based learning. The demand is real and growing. Step 1. Decide what you will tutor. Do not try to teach everything. Focus on what you already know well. Examples: primary subjects like math, English, and science. Secondary school subjects like WIAC, JAMB, GCSE, SAT. Languages like English, phonics, and literacy. Music, arts, ICT, coding. Special needs or slow learners. Rule: the clearer your niche, the easier it is to get students. Step 2. Prepare your basic tools. You do not need expensive equipment to start. Minimum requirements: smartphone or laptop, stable internet connection, headphones or earphones, a quiet space, room or corner of your house, notebook or digital whiteboard app. Optional as you grow: webcam, tablet and stylus, ring light. Step 3. Choose a platform. Where to find students. International platforms. These connect you to students globally. Preply, tutor.com, Chegg Tutors, Wisant, Schooly, Cambly for English conversation. Requirements may include profile setup, short demo video, qualification or experience proof. Local and independent options. Very effective, especially in Nigeria and Africa. WhatsApp tutoring groups, Facebook groups and pages, Instagram and TikTok educational content, referrals from parents and schools, your own WhatsApp broadcast list. Many teachers earn more tutoring independently than on platforms. Step 4. Set your pricing. Start simple and grow gradually. Pricing can be per hour, per session, monthly packages. Examples: 3,000 to 10,000 Naira per session, local. $10 to $30 per hour, international. Package your service: homework help package, exam prep package, weekend revision package. Packages sell better than single sessions. Step 5. Market yourself as a tutor. You don't need to shout, just be clear. Simple marketing ideas. Post short teaching tips on Facebook, TikTok, or WhatsApp. Share success stories, student improvement. Offer a free first session or assessment. Ask satisfied parents for referrals. Consistency beats perfection. Common challenges and how to overcome them. Finding students. Solution: start with people you know, parents, colleagues, schools. Use WhatsApp and referrals. Internet issues. Solution: record backup lessons, use flexible schedules, and communicate clearly with parents. Low confidence. Solution: remember, you are already a teacher. Start small and improve as you go. Time management. Solution: set clear tutoring hours. Do not overbook yourself. Late payments. Solution: always agree on payment terms up front. Collect fees before sessions. How to grow your income over time. Once you gain experience, increase your rates.
Tutor small groups instead of individuals. Record lessons and sell them. Create exam prep courses. Hire other tutors under you. This is how tutoring moves from side hustle to serious income. Final word for teachers. Online tutoring is not a scam, not a shortcut, and not luck. It is skill-based, ethical, sustainable, teacher-friendly. You don't need to quit teaching to earn better. You need to prepare, position yourself, and start. The future belongs to prepared teachers, teachers who use their skills wisely.